Hello everyone. I am BK Jha, New Delhi-based senior journalist and healthcare communication expert. It is amazing to be here at Andhra Pradesh Medical Technology Zone, MTZ. I am very thankful to Dr. Jitendra Sharma, extended an invitation to come here, and it was amazing. Those who are not here cannot realize what is happening in terms of medical technology. I saw visiting some excellence center and meeting companies who have established their units here. Silent revolution is going on, or unless or until anyone should come here and see what is happening, how our bioengineers, scientists, healthcare professionals, they are contributing to this revolution, which is going to transform completely the way India deals with medical technology. Thank you.